Hey guys, it is January 27, 2023. This one I got a call from an older lady. I don't know if I really even want to work for her, I'll be honest with you. Sounds like she's a little bit on the dementia side, but she's problem with her sink, and you know, the pop-up's not coming up. Either that or the drain's backed up.
140 south.
Anyway, I've been dealing with this lady on the phone a couple of times. A little on the scary side, but I guess I'll go by and try to help her out. Hopefully I get paid. Woo! Dumb.
Turn left on Route 140 south.
Hopefully I get paid here from this lady. I've dealt with some of these old people when they get crusty and rusty. It's you're over there working for them for free, basically. They don't pay you. Well, they forget they owe you money, and it really can be quite the shit show. So I don't know. I'm a little leery about this one. We'll see what happens. Something's not right here. What happened was I bet the arm rotted away. Might be able to fix that. All the times what happens is this thing rots. Either I get another one. Yeah. Or I could bang it out a little bit on my vise.
Is there anything better that can be done other than what's there?
This is what happened. See this little rod right here?
Yes.
It rotted out.
Right. Now, is there anything better than that arrangement? Is that the best they have in the nice homes?
I can get I probably have a used one that I could put in here. That's a good one. Either that or I could bang this shaft through and extend it out. I think I'm better off with putting another one in there. Let me see if I can get
but
one.
You're going to have a lot of work with me. I got air conditioning that's got to be taken care of.
All right, let me see if I can get one of these. Well, you got two walkers, huh?
Yeah.
One for each leg.
Well, because my knees are so damn bad, this is the safest thing that I can wear. They can't even make them right. See, these two come out further on the outside, which is what's necessary, because you can tip yourself over easy with that, but not so much on that side.
So what, are they taking your license away from you?
Yeah, they want to. And I'm going to fight like hell to hold on to it.
Yeah.
I live right next to a commercial area. I could live here for another 7 years, 10 years.
How old are you now?
I want to. I've got work to do. What's that
How
again?
old are you now?
I'm 92.
Oh, 92, and you're still
92.
going.
That's
All right,
right.
let me fix this for you.
All right, I'd appreciate it. But you're going to have...
I'm going to fix it. I'm going to get one out of the truck for you.
Right, but I'm saying that later on you're going to have a lot of work. Well, right now, actually. But I want to...
You're doing pretty good for 92.
What's that again?
You're doing pretty good for 92.
That's right. I know I am.
Alright. I got a brand new one here. This one's all kind of rotted, and so that's no good. Can't use that one. The washer's split. The washer's split too, so that one's no good. I got a brand new one here. Gotta use her nut. Full of hair. Yeah, it's loaded with hair in there. Not good.
I didn't sleep all last night to make sure that I was up this morning. I was up all night.
You were?
Made certain.
When are you going to sleep?
Well, after you leave, probably. I had a a bad cold about 2 weeks ago. I had to stay in bed a whole week. And
Really?
the people who give me my oil, they don't know what the hell they're doing.
No?
No, wait till you hear what the hell they give in the furnace, but I won't give you that today. Unless you just want to look at it and get an idea of what you're going to face when you...
What'd they do to it?
But I'm going to look at making sure I've got my license first.
Yeah, it doesn't sound like your license thing's a real good deal there.
Until February the 3rd, so I got to get on to it, you know.
They want to take your license.
Well, the woman that usually helps me grocery shop, she changed job. She was working for Dartmouth and she left. And she went elsewhere. And so I didn't have her this week. So I had to do a little bit more than normal.
Alright, so it's working.
And it's hard to keep up with how dark it gets so early, you know?
Yeah, you're not no spring chicken anymore. I mean, you're getting up there. Let's see if it leaks. Where's my number from?
What's that again?
Where'd you get my phone number
Telephone.
from? Telephone book?
Yep. When I saw you did it all, air conditioning and the furnaces and so on, I figured this guy's got a mind.
Yeah, I got a mine. I got a mine, all right.
And
So-
you're Mr. Lavimoniere himself?
That's me, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, owner-operator. I do it all myself.
Okay. Well, you know, I had just connected a phone that I was forgetting about the living room. I'll go with you with almost business.
I think you called me a couple of different times, and I was...
Yes, oh well, I've been desperate. I've had a sick like this all week long. This is a challenge to live with.
Yeah, what's gonna work now, okay?
Okay.
So you had some issues going on here.
Yep,
No big deal. You called the right guy.
I think so too. So I'm going to show you what my problem is with my furnace, and maybe you can answer that too.
All right, what's the complaint with the furnace?
Okay, it's a Wheels McLean.
Oil or gas?
Wheels McLean.
Oil or gas?
Oil, hot water base radiator.
Oil?
Oh, no, water.
Yeah, but you heat with oil or natural
with
gas?
Oil, with oil.
With oil.
And sun.
Okay.
And that son of a gun doesn't. And the radiator's cold in the other room. I call it within because it's at the end of the line. End of the line, she says. Like hell. I lived in that room with my. Okay.
All right, so this is fine. This is set for 71. There's 71 in here.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yes, since I came up with all these ideas, I said to my neighbor, well, if it's a controlling zone, then it needs batteries. If it's independent, it needs batteries.
Yeah, you need batteries every so often. I mean,
Well,
how old's the batteries?
Oh, he's just changed it.
All right, so that's not a problem then.
Now, does it have to be alkaline? Because they suggest alkaline.
No, it don't matter. Any
That's
batteries,
what he-
yeah.
that's
So
what he said.
it's working. There's 71 in here and there's 71.
Right. So
And he
it
just
turns out-
changed the batteries.
Yeah.
Every couple of years you got to change the
All right,
batteries.
now
Yeah.
my next question is, downstairs, this boiler.
Let's go take a look at the boiler
Yes.
instead of talking about it. Let's go look at it.
A few minutes.
This one's fine. The batteries have been changed in this one too?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go look downstairs.
Is it too late to take care of the air conditioning?
Yeah, you can't take care of it now until it's warm.
Okay.
You got to do it when it's warm.
Okay.
To run it.
One more question.
Where's how do we get in
One
the
more
basement? Yeah,
question.
go ahead.
When I didn't have the understanding of the batteries, you know, and all that changing,
Yeah.
I depended on the small heaters. See those electric heaters?
Yeah.
Okay. And that kept my house warm. However, they both right, both Roder and my neighbor.
The problem with the heater is, listen to me, you got the heater right here by the thermostat.
Yeah.
So when you're running it, it's going to say we're warm and the rest of the house is going to be cold.
All right.
That's what's happening.
It shuts
So
off.
you don't want to have the heater by the thermostat because it's going to heat up and tell the thermostat we're warm enough, let's not run it.
Oh, they tell me anywhere that the heater may be. If the room is warm, that won't work.
That electric heater is going to warm this room up and tell the thermostat we're satisfied, but it's only going to be warm in this one room. The rest of the house is going to be cold.
That's right.
So you don't want to run them electric heaters. If anything, you want to put that in your bedroom where you need it.
Now I know.
Know what I'm
And
saying?
everything's normal now.
Yeah, no, that's a worse place to have it.
Yeah, I know. But it's the
It's
only
right
place,
here.
The only
you know?
place that I could have it. when I did, that won't be in the way, and I have a wall connection to put it in and all that sort of
If
stuff.
anything, you want to put it on that end of the house.
But I gotta have a wall connection available for
A
all
wall
these
connection,
things.
yeah.
Well, anyway, this is fine now. This is fine. We finally got it, but of
All
course.
right, let's go, because I got other jobs to do. You got what do you show me the heating system.
Now listen to what I'm saying. I don't want you falling down and getting hurt.
I'm not gonna fall down.
Listen to what I'm saying. It's dangerous down there. You're gonna go down.
Yeah.
Right? And you're gonna go around that little stove that you see in the cellar there.
Okay.
You can, okay. Now you put the light on before you step into the other room. Put the light on this in the main room.
Yeah.
And step up, because my husband used to clean roads on a wooden floor. So if you don't step up, you're gonna fall on your face.
Why are you coughing?
Pardon?
Why are you coughing?
Because I'm talking so fast. I have a hypothermia.
Oh yeah, I see it. Flipping shit show down here. I'm fucking nutty. I'm fucking nutty as a squirrel shit. Oh, yeah. Fucking fan. Let's step up. What the fuck's she talking about? I don't see no heater. Got me on a fucking wild goose chase here, mama. You got me on a wild goose chase. I don't know what the hell she's talking about. What's that here? I don't see no boiler. I don't see no boiler. I don't see no boiler. Where is it?
No, over here. Like I said, you go around that little stove. Go to your right. There's a light there.
Oh, okay. It's over here, yeah.
The other room.
Fucking nutty. Let's see it. Step up. There it is. Alright, I see it. Oh, that's a QB burner. Yeah, nothing but quality. Yeah, this is all fine. I don't know what the fucking blabbing about. That should be fine. The old QB. Not the greatest, I'll tell you. It's up to temperature, pressures are good. There's the oil tank. Yeah, we're gonna protect the oil line. We're good here. Alright, I see it. I see it. It's a QB burner. The Wild McLean QB. They're fine.
Well, however.
Oh, I got parts for that in the truck.
All I want to do is ask.
What's the matter with it? It seems to be fine to me.
Well, just a minute. I want to make sure. I gotta have 2 canes. I'm so used to it, I can't go without it. All right.
So what's the question?
Okay, I'm coming.
She's coming. Looks fine to me. Everything, the pressure looks good. Temperatures look good. It's got outside air coming in. I mean, it's set up fine. Oil tank's got a protected oil line. You should be fine. You just got to call once a year for service.
What I'm going to show you is what I'm concerned about. It goes on often, and sometimes I have to hit the red button. Often.
How many times you got to hit the red button?
Well, I didn't count them, but I hit it just a couple of days ago.
All right, so every few days. How long's it been since you've had it serviced?
Oh my God, they've been in and out, in and out. It just got done.
Probably that transformer that's junk.
I don't know if they
That's
said
probably
it.
this transformer that's no good, I bet you. Could be anything.
I don't know if they've set these dials correctly, but when it's like this here,
Yeah.
the way it's now, say 12 o'clock, you know, just for the sake of conversation. As it starts to go to the left, if it goes beyond this number here,
Yeah.
it's going to be showing EE on the water tank, yeah. EE with a little R in between, okay?
Yeah.
And
Error
that's
code.
happening often.
Yeah.
So, fortunately, when we just put the batteries in a couple of days ago, I think that happened one time more after that. And it goes on often because that's a small space out of that whole dial. That's all they're going to use is that space from 12 to say...
Yeah, 130, that's the low limit. Yeah, it's probably set for 130, and then the high limit's at 180. That's not always accurate.
Uh-huh.
It's only going to come on when it calls for heat, obviously.
Right.
It seems to be working fine now. You have to hit that reset button every so often?
Yes.
What, once a week or something like that?
It's been more often lately since I've been having problems.
Now, you're not happy with the other service guy that's working on it?
Well, it's Broder and Son, yeah.
You're not happy with him?
Well, he puts his face right in my face. What's the matter with you? What's the matter with you, you know? What the hell? I mean, what's the matter with him?
He said that, what's the matter with you?
Yeah. And she's insisting. She keeps insisting on the phone. You've only got one zone, she says. That room is cold because you've only got one zone. It's at
No, you got two zones. You got two zones right here. You got.
Fool doesn't even know how many zones I've got.
You got two zones right here.
I've
See?
been with her for quite a while.
Yeah, you got two zones. You added that other zone.
They don't know what the hell they're doing, and they're yelling at me and accusing me of having a problem.
You actually got three zones because you got this storage tank, and then you got the zone you added for your bedroom, and you got the main zone for the house.
Okay.
So you got three zones.
Really?
Two thermostats upstairs is two, and then this is a third zone. See the circulator?
Is that right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, before we go much further, you see at one time how that space was occupied at one time with a great big cast iron.
Yeah. So that's a slab. That's fine.
Well, the plumber in Dartmouth at the time, the plumber in Dartmouth took out a large water tank to accommodate. Was sitting there.
Yeah, but that's 40 gallons. You don't running out of hot water, are you?
Well, I don't take baths. However, if I was to sell this home, or anybody who owned it, sells the home, that tank is too small for a thermostatic valve. Do you understand that bit of it? Because there's a guy in Providence that explained all this to me. He took out the big one, the fellow...
That's fine for this house. That 40-gallon is fine. They're trying to sell you something else.
For me.
Don't fall for that shit.
Don't fall for that?
No, don't fall for it. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with that tank.
I could take a bath with that?
Yeah, you could take a bath. It's 40 gallons. Of course you could take a bath. That guy's trying to sell you something. There's nothing wrong there. Leave that alone. That's fine. That's 40 gallons. Unless you got a hot tub. Do you got a hot tub that's got jets in it and everything?
No.
All right, then.
No.
That's the only time you need a bigger tank.
But I have a thermostatic valve, and the thermostatic valve in the literature did say that you've got to have an exceptionally large tank because...
That's fine. You got 40 gallons there. You can take a bath. Go upstairs when I leave and take a bath. All right? Take a bath. Enjoy yourself.
I won't be able to get in the tub, dear.
Huh?
You won't be able to get...
You can't get out.
I slide on with this called transitional.
Yeah. Well, wait till your daughter comes over and then have her fill up the tub. They'll fill up the tub. You'll be able to... If this thing trips out again, if you don't want to call Broder, you can call me back.
I certainly hell will.
All right.
I'm letting Broder go goodbye.
All right.
Who can I buy oil from rather than them? See,
Call around and see where you get the best price on the oil and buy from them.
And I'm with Pace. Would you believe that my husband made damn good money and I didn't know? This guy of mine had a mental problem. We didn't need a marriage counselor. We needed a psychiatrist.
Yeah,
This guy was in the... How big is that tank?
40 that's 275. That's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not leaking. Leave it alone.
No.
You're looking for problems, ma'am.
Okay.
Let's go upstairs. You got to pay me so I can go.
Yes.
You got to pay me so I can go. Let me get a slip.
I'm going to call you in the
Let's go. You call me when you need me, okay?
Well,
let's
when
go.
I need you for the air conditioning.
Yeah. I got to get going. I got other jobs to do.
I'm going up so I can write you a check.
Please. I fixed your thing.
I'm bloody glad that it was you, because you know what the hell you're saying.
Let's go.